Okay, huge package pile. Time for serious packing gear. Unboxing Scotch, heavy-duty shipping tape, 6 dispensers inside. Clear heavy-duty tape on red dispenser looks pro. Perfect for movers, e-commerce sellers, and busy small businesses. First glance. Thick glossy tape with strong adhesive feel. Each roll measures 1.88 inches by 22.2 yards. Typical thickness 3.0 mil. Lamate. Built for durability. Tape comes preloaded on 6 handy dispensers for speed. Dispensers have fallback tabs. Tape stays ready to use. Okay, let's try it on a moving box seam. One strip across the seam, instant adhesion, impressive hold. No need for multiple strips, one is usually enough. This tape resists slivering, splitting, and tearing during application. I rough handled the box. Seal stayed perfectly intact. Tough adhesive locks out dust, dirt, and moisture effectively. It even grips on harder to stick 100% recycled boxes. That matters for sustainable packing and many warehouse supplies. Rolls unwind smoothly because of a release coating on tape. Cutting is precise with the dispenser's blade bay, no jagged edges. Fallback tabs prevent tape from falling back on the roll. Designed with industrial strength, solvent free adhesive for heavy duty use. Industrial strength means reliable seals even through rough handling. Perfect for shipping heavy items and high volume fulfillment. E-commerce sellers will appreciate consistent, fast packing performance. Small businesses save time with ready-to-use dispenser rolls. Each package contains 6 rolls on 1.5-inch cores. Tape width is nearly 2 inches for full seam coverage. I tested on reinforced double-wall craft moving boxes rated 80 pounds. Seal held tight after dropping and tossing the box. No slits, no splits, tape stayed intact under stress. Clear finish keeps labels and branding visible during shipping. Tape hides well on clear sections, looks professional on packages. Instant stickiness saves hands from retaping or adding extra glue. Solvent-free adhesive is a plus for workplace safety. They guarantee seals, refund if your box doesn't stay sealed. Keep your receipt and contact 1-800-3MH helps for claims. Ideal for movers, sealing seasonal decorations, or heavy storage boxes. Warehouse teams will like the industrial formula and dispenser speed. I appreciate the no-fuss application during long packing sessions. Tip: pull tape slowly for a clean tear every time. Tip: use one strip per seam for most box types. Cost-effective 6-roll pack reduces downtime and ordering frequency. Red dispenser color is easy to spot in busy environments. Packaging looks organized on shelves or in warehouse bins. You can seal out dust and moisture for safe transit. I compared it to cheaper tapes. Clear winner for durability. Cheaper tapes split or peel under weight. This stays put. Installation speed matters when packing hundreds of orders daily. Dispenser blade stays sharp and cuts cleanly through tape layers. One hand operation keeps the other hand free for handling boxes. Storage is compact. 6 dispensers stack neatly together. Great for fulfillment centers doing high volume shipping and returns. Small retail shops can stock a pack for busy periods. Environmentally conscious teams will like performance on recycled boxes. Just tested on a heavy electronics box. Zero movement. No residue, no mess, tape peels clean if removed carefully. Remember, proof of purchase required for warranty refund claims. This tape becomes essential for any serious moving day. My honest take: reliable, fast, and built for heavy tasks. If you pack frequently, this is a time saving investment. Buy the 6-roll dispenser pack to avoid mid project shortages. Keep a spare pack in the office or van at all times. Available in clear to keep boxes looking neat and professional. Questions about performance? Contact 3M customer support at their number. For warranty, help call 1-800-3M-HELPS with purchase receipt. Final verdict: dependable packing tape engineered for heavy duty jobs. Perfect balance between stickiness and clean application for professionals. Less tape per seam, more boxes packed per hour. Grab a pack if you value speed and secure seals. Link in the description directs you to current pricing and availability. Subscribe for more packing tips, unboxings, and real world tests. Like this review, save time, share with your packing team. I'll include quick setup tips and best practices in comments. Thanks for watching. Happy packing and safe shipping, everyone. See you next video with more packing gear recommendations.